Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best underwater hunting flashlight available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best underwater hunting flashlight, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. LetonPower Diving Flashlight W1. Effortlessly rechargeable via Type-C, this flashlight is compatible with mobile phone chargers. Crafted from robust aluminium alloy, this flashlight withstands depths up to 100 meters, ideal for scuba diving. Features 5-6 lighting modes, including 2500 lumens high beam, for diverse underwater scenarios. Equipped with 8x HP50 LEDs, offering a color temperature of 5000 K for natural lighting in underwater video. Built-in 14400 mAh battery ensures up to 6 hours of continuous lighting. Perfect for long dives. LetonPower is a diving lighting equipment brand located in Shenzhen, China, dedicated to the development of strong performance, stable quality diving lighting products, and achieved a greater technical advantage. The S1 is our latest dive light complement, with an original all-in-one design that takes powerful performance and reliability to a whole new level. Within 1 year, if the flashlight is damaged and cannot work normally, we will replace the new product for you for free. Number 2. LetonPower BB Underwater Flashlight. Illuminate your underwater adventures with 2000 lumens, ensuring clear visibility up to 500 meters. Lipsate waterproof rating and aluminium build ensure this flashlight withstands 100 m dives. Choose from multiple lighting modes, including red and blue flashes, for diverse underwater photography. Powered by 4 18650 batteries, this flashlight offers long-lasting illumination for your dives. Comes with a multifunctional charger and a durable aluminium body for reliable diving equipment. The professional underwater 27 LED photography light is a game-changer for divers and photographers alike. With a robust build made from spaceflight-level aluminium alloy, this flashlight is designed to withstand the rigors of underwater environments. Its Lipsate waterproof rating ensures that it can be submerged to depths of up to 80 meters, making it an ideal companion for diving with a purpose, documentary, or capturing stunning low-key photography lighting. The flashlight's powerful beam can illuminate distances beyond 500 meters, providing strong lighting photography capabilities for both amateur and professional photographers. Number 3. paweinuo HQ304 Underwater Flashlight. Features a powerful XHP20 LED wick for a wide lighting range and high brightness, ensuring strong penetration. Lipsate waterproof rating allows for safe diving to 10 meters without worrying about seawater damage. Strong light, weak light, and flash, providing adaptability for various scenarios. Crafted from aluminium alloy, this diving flashlight is lightweight at 85 g, making it easy to carry for outdoor activities. Equipped with a special aluminium alloy shell and thickened coating, it's corrosion resistant for long-term use. This professional underwater flashlight, the shell is made of special aluminium alloy, thickened coating, and equipped with a waterproof rubber ring, which is corrosion resistant, light in weight, and easy. Number 4. paweinuo HQ411Q Flashlight Underwater. This diving flashlight uses the latest HP199 wick in 2024, which comprehensively improves the diving lighting performance based on XHP90. The battery life is twice that of XHP90, and the light is brighter and more penetrating. The 18650 battery can be used for 8 hours. The 26650 battery can be used for 12 hours. And the night lighting distance is greater than 1000 meters. It can be used 800 meters underwater, with multi-layer waterproof protection and multiple sealed waterproof rings, making it extremely waterproof. The aluminium alloy material is added with an anti-scratch coating, which is corrosion resistant and not afraid of impact. A great choice for your free diving. Number 5. HQ411Q 100,000 Lumens Underwater Flashlight. 100,000 Lumens Professional Diving Flashlight HQ8 Waterproof LED Underwater Lantern Powerful Diving Fishing Hunting Torch. This link guarantees 2 products. When purchasing, please read the kit picture clearly before purchasing to avoid unnecessary trouble. If you need more flashlights of the same style, you can contact our customer service and we will give you the best price on the entire internet. HQ8 Double Layer Waterproof Ring, Super Sealed Flashlight. No need to worry about water intrusion. Professional diver diving flashlight design can dive to 1000 meters. Special battery power warning to better understand the battery situation. Utilizes the latest L2 LED constant current, 4 modes dimming for a variety of occasions. Use 1x186.